Tomorrow, we expect to learn more information about the criminal charges surrounding the death of Santaquin Police Sergeant Bill Hooser. Thanks for joining us for 2 News at 10. I'm Heidi Hatch.
And I'm Mark Cabell. Today, family, friends, the community, and many law enforcement officers from across the nation paying their final respects as he was laid to rest today.
Michael Jayne is accused of hitting and killing Sergeant Hooser with a semi-truck on May 5th. Tonight, we're getting insight from a criminal defense attorney about the case and what will come next.
Ariel Harrison combed through the police documents after the arrest and joins us live with some insight tonight. Ariel, what do those documents tell us?
Well, first off, Mark and Heidi, good evening. We're standing at a memorial at Utah State Capitol that is for fallen law enforcement officials. Now, in my hand, I'm holding those police documents. It's what they call a probable cause statement. It details the arrest, and in these pages, we learned that the suspect, Michael Aaron Jayne, was reportedly holding a woman against her will, something Sergeant Hooser had just discovered right before he was then targeted and killed. Criminal defense attorney Sky Lazaro isn't connected to the case against Michael Jayne, but she is following it closely.
I think a lot more probably will come out in this case, both good for him and bad for him.
According to this document, after killing Sergeant Hooser, Jayne tried to hit a UHP trooper and a woman on scene. That woman told police Jayne was holding her against her will after threatening her at knife point in Beaver. The report also lists crimes that followed, noting an extensive criminal history violently targeting police. We asked Lazaro what the defense's approach in this case could be. How do you defend someone that so deliberately makes all of these very wrong choices?
Some of these cases really just come down to trying to mitigate sentences to the best degree you can.
After the state files charges, Lazaro says Jayne can get an attorney. And while she says a release is unlikely, she expects detention and preliminary hearings will follow. What kind of sentencing could this guy face?
The state can elect to seek the death penalty. In this case, they would have 60 days after the preliminary hearing to do so. If they don't seek to go after the death penalty, what he's facing on that charge alone is 25 years to life in prison or life without the possibility of parole.
Now, once again, this case hasn't been charged just yet. We still have to wait to see what the prosecutor's office will actually issue and officially charge. In the meantime, the probable cause does list a number of possible charges. Some of those include aggravated burglary, aggravated kidnapping, aggravated murder, 2 counts of attempted murder, and more. Again, we do expect updates on those charges tomorrow from the Utah County Sheriff's Office. We do have information if you'd like to read more about the probable cause statement and the arrest details on KUTV.com. Reporting live from the state capitol, Ariel Harrison, KUTV 2 News.